Okay, so you want to fix some keys in your computer, your laptop that are not working for X or Y. So I'm going to give you a solution that you maybe don't know. So you have to press the Windows key right here and write devices. So you will find this option, device administrator. You're gonna press it. Okay, so now you have to look for your keyboard. Okay, here keyboards and find which one is yours and right click and uninstall device. After you uninstall, your driver is going to get updated by itself, so don't worry, and that should be solving your problem. If it's not working, go to the comments and I will help you with every doubt you have. So please like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in next video. Easy way.